Welcome to the Shop Mahal, my refurbished hay barn in Petaluma, California. This old barn gets used for different projects and events, so almost all of my woodworking tools are on wheels. My Bosch 10-inch compound miter saw needed a dedicated mobile table along with infeed and outfeed tables to support long pieces of wood for cross-cutting, so I built this set of 3 connected tables. The central table is lower than the 2 feed tables, so that wood is supported along its entire length. Each feed table has open shelves on the end and 10 drawers for tools. The 3 tables are over 14 feet long and can move around as a unit. The tables need to be rigidly connected to provide a reliably level surface and aligned backstop. The tables are made from 3/4-inch maple veneer plywood with solid cherry trim and drawer fronts. Each table has 4 5-inch smooth-rolling urethane casters and a bottom reinforced with welded steel tubing. The shelves and 20 drawers have really improved the organization in my messy shop. The saw's height can be adjusted to perfectly match the height of the adjoining feed tables. I did this by threading T-bolts into the saw's base. But what I really wanted was for the 3 tables to disconnect into separate pieces for full flexibility in the shop. That took some engineering, and here's how I did it. 4 case latches on the back hold the 3 tables together, but thick rectangles of ash do the work. Each table end has an ash rectangle bolted to it. The smaller rectangles on the central table fit perfectly inside the larger rectangles bolted to the inner ends of the feed tables. The outer edge of the inner rectangle is mitered to 45 degrees and securely locks against a matching miter on the inner edge of the larger rectangle. This angle forms a tight hold between the 2 tables. Because the tables are all rolling on identical casters, they move in the same horizontal plane, making it easy to reconnect them. The latches just hold the rectangles together, so the ash faces provide the alignment. The ash rectangles are assembled with very strong bridle joints, and the bolt heads are counterbored so they are out of the way. The other vertical and horizontal surfaces align very closely. When these rectangles are pushed together, they form a very rigid and precisely aligned connection between the 3 tables. It took a bit of trial and error to get everything to line up precisely, but eventually it fit together perfectly. This new saw table is now a centerpiece in my wood shop and plays an important role in all of my woodworking.